Snoring Remedies, 6 ways to stop snoring. Snoring is quite common nowadays. One too many times we have heard our female friends talk about their snoring husbands or boyfriends. However, what is important is the fact that snoring itself can be due to multiple and various reasons. Snoring can happen to anyone, at any given time in their life, for no apparent reason. As such, you would probably want to know how to stop it if you're ever affected by it. Here are 6 of the best ways to stop yourself, or your partner, from snoring. Welcome once again to our nursing exercise channel. If this is your first time here, we have a YouTube channel that aims to enrich your knowledge about your health, fitness, medication, nutrition, diet, etc. And if it is your plan to update yourself about these important issues for all of the important tips, advice, discussion and presentation, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on our notification bell icon. Let's start our presentation. 1. Sleep position. One of the first and immediate things to try is sleeping differently, namely, on your side. This is because sleeping on your back often ends with your tongue blocking airflow to the throat. This is also why a simple nudge from our partner, a nudge that has us change our position, stops the snoring session for that night. 2. Losing some weight. Overweight people experience snoring more often than people with regular BMI values. The increased amount of tissue around overweight people's necks favors snoring as it tightens specific airways. Regular exercise and the reduction of caloric intake should do the trick. 3. Mandibular advancement devices. Naturally, there is no issue without a medical device created for it. We mentioned earlier a Z-Quiet review that describes how such a product works and how it helps people that snore. The best thing about such devices is that, unlike tongue-stabilizing devices, they come with little to no restrictions to the mouth area. 4. No sedatives and alcohol before bed. Sedatives and alcohol relax muscles, including the ones in your throat. Obviously, this increases the chances of snoring. Alcohol is also one of the main reasons why people who do not usually snore do so after a long night. Keep in mind that, if you decide to stop taking sedatives before bed, you should consult with your doctor first. 5. Taking care of your allergies. Summer, spring allergies are also common causes when it comes to snoring. Allergies force you to breathe through your mouth while sleeping, thus increasing the chance that you'll do a good snore. While an allergy may not bother you as much, it is worth keeping it under control with the help of a doctor so that you stop snoring. 6. Sleep enough. You may have noticed how your partner complains of you snoring after you had a very tiring day or when you don't sleep enough. Well, long story short, when you are too tired, your muscles also relax more than they usually do. This leads to snoring, especially on the days when you're too tired to even realize that you're falling asleep. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box, and if you enjoy watching our videos, please subscribe our channel to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. Hit the bell icon twice. Thanks for watching.